Hello kids, don't skip. Today we will learn tables from 2 to 10. 5 in an interesting and fun way. Watch the video till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe to watch and learn. Let's start. Are you ready, kids?
Yes!
Welcome back to our fun learning classroom. Today we are going to learn the table of 2 together. 2 1 the 2. Let's repeat, kids.
2 1 the 2. 2 1 the
2
2.
2 the 4.
2 2 the 4.
2 3s are 6.
2 3s are 6.
2 4s are 8.
2 4s are 8.
2 5s are 10.
2 5s are 10. Very good.
2 6 the 12.
2 6 the 12.
2 7 the 14. 2 7 the 14.
Ah!
2 8 the 16.
2 8 the 16.
2 9 the 18.
2 9 the 18.
2 10s are 20.
2 10s are 20.
Hello kids, now we are learning the table of 3.
Yay, we're ready.
Are you ready, kids?
Yes.
3 1 the 3.
3 1 the 3.
3 2s are 6.
3 2s are 6.
3 3 the 9.
3 3 the 9. 3 4 the 12. 3 4 the 12.
3 5 the 15.
3 5 the 15. Very good.
3 6s are 18.
3 6s are 18. 3 6s are 18.
3 7 the 21.
3 7 the 21.
3 8 the 24.
3 8 the 24.
3 9 the 27.
3 9 the 27.
3 10 the 30.
3 10 the 30. 3 10 the 30.
Very good, kids. Good job. Now we will learn the table of 4. Are you ready for more learning?
Yes, we are.
4 1s are 4.
4 1s are 4. 4 1s 4. Excellent.
4 to the 8.
4 to the 8.
4 times 3 is 12.
4 times 3 is 12.
4 times 4 equals 16.
4 times 4 equals 16.
5 4 the 20. 5 4 the 20. 4 times 6 equals 24.
4 times 6 equals 24.
4 times 7 equals 28.
4 times 7 equals 28.
4 times 8 is 32.
4 times 8 is 32.
4 times 9 the 36.
4 times 9 the 36.
4 times 10 equals 40.
4 times 10 equals 40.
Very good, kids. We have learned the tables up to 4. Excellent. Now we will learn the 5 times table. Are you ready for more?
Yes!
Great. Let's start. 5 1 the 5.
5 1 the 5.
Excellent. 5 times 2 equals 10.
5 times 2 equals 10.
Excellent. 5 3s are 15.
5 3s are 15.
Excellent. 5 4 the 20. 5 4 the 20. 5 5s are 25. Let's all say it together.
5 5s are 25.
Excellent. 5 times 6 equals 30.
5 times 6 equals
30. 5 7 the 35.
5 7 the 35.
Excellent. 5 8 the 40.
5 8 the 40.
5 9 the 45.
5 9 the 45.
Yes! 5 times 9 is 45. Excellent! 5 times 10 equals 50.
5 times
Very
50.
good. Let's say it again.
5 times 10 equals 50.
Very good. Excellent, kids. Now
Today we are learning the table of 6. Let's begin. 6 1 the 6. Let's repeat, kids.
6 1 the 6.
Excellent.
6 2 the 12.
6 2 the 12.
6 2 the 12.
Excellent. 6 3 the 18.
6 3 the 18. 6 3 the 18.
Excellent. 6 4 the 24.
6 4 the 24.
Excellent. 6 5 the 30.
6 5 the 30.
That's right.
well done.
6 6 the 36.
6 6 the 36.
Excellent. 6 7 the 42.
6 7 the 42.
Excellent. 6 8 the 48.
6 8 the 48.
6 9 the 54. 6 9 the 54. 6 9 the 54. Excellent. 6 10 the 60.
6 10 the 60.
Excellent. Hello, kids. Now we are learning the table of 7. 7 1 the 7. Let's repeat, kids.
7 1 the 7. 7 1 the 7.
7 2 the 14.
7 2 the 14. 7 2 the very good.
7 3 the 21.
7 3 the 21. 7 3 the 21.
Excellent. 7 4 the 28.
7 4 the 28.
Kids repeat.
7 4 the 28.
Great job. 7 5 the 35. Kids repeat.
7 5 the 35.
7 6 the 42.
7 6 the 42.
Kids repeat.
7 6 the 42.
Excellent. 7 7 the 49.
7 7 the 49.
Kids repeat.
7 7 the 49.
7 8 the 56. Kids repeat.
7 8 the 56. 7 8 the 56.
7 9 the 63.
7 9 the 63.
Very good. 7 10 the 70.
7 10 the 70.
Kids, now we will learn table of 8. Are you ready, kids?
Yeah!
Great, let's begin. 8 1 the 8. Kids repeat.
8 1 the 8.
8 1 the 8. 8 2 the 16. Let's repeat, kids.
8 2 the 16.
Yes, good job.
8 3 the 24. Let's repeat, kids.
8 3 the 24.
8 3 the 24.
8 4 the 32.
8 4 the 32.
8 4 the 32. 8 5 the 40.
8 5 the 40.
Good job, kids. 8 6 the 48.
8 6 the 48.
Good job, kids.
8 7 the 56. 8 7 the 56. Good job, kids.
8 8 the 64.
8 8 the 64.
Good job, kids. 8 9 the 72.
8 9 the 72.
Good job, kids.
8 10 the 80.
8 10 the 80.
Good job, kids. Hello, kids. Now we will learn table of 9. Are you ready, kids?
Yes, we are.
Okay, then let's start. 9 ones are 9.
9 ones are 9.
Very good. 9 2 the 18.
9 2 the 18.
Excellent. 9 3 the 27.
9 3 the 27.
9 times 3 equals 27. Excellent. 9 4 the 36.
9 4.
9 4 the 36. Excellent.
9 4 the 36.
9 5s are 45.
9 5s are 45.
Very good. 9 6s are 54.
9 6s are 54.
Excellent. 9 7 the 63.
9 7 the 63.
Very good. 9 8 the 72.
Very good.
9 9s are 81.
9 9s are 81.
Very good.
9 10 the 90.
9 10 the 90.
Very good. Excellent, kids. Kids, today we are learning the table of 10. 10 won the 10.
10 won the 10.
Good job, kids. 10 to the 20.
10 to the 20.
Good job, kids. 10 3 the 30.
10 3 the 30.
Good job, kids.
10 for the 40.
10 for the 40.
Good job, kids.
10 times 5 equals 50. 10 times 5 equals 50.
10 times 5 equals 50.
Good job, kids.
10 6 the 60.
10 6 the 60.
Good job, kids.
10 7 the 70.
10 7 the 70.
Good job, kids.
10 8 the 80.
Good job, kids. 10 9 the 90.
10 9 the 90.
Good job, kids. 10 10 the 100.
10 10 the 100.
Good job, kids. Very good, kids. Well done. Today we learned tables from 2 to 10. Don't forget to like, subscribe, watch and learn for more educational and learning videos, and keep learning with us. Bye-bye, kids. See you again.